In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this super moist, healthy banana oatmeal bread. This is so easy and I know for sure you're going to love it. So without wasting my time, let's jump right in. Hello and welcome back. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. So we'll start off by adding 2 cups of oats to my blender. We'll cover it and grind the oats until I get a flour consistency. So once I'm done, we'll transfer it into my mixing bowl. So that we'll add in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We'll also go in with a tablespoon of baking powder and some salt to taste. I'm going to combine everything really well, then set it aside. Next, I'm going to mash together 4 medium-sized bananas. So I'm just going to peel the bananas, then place them into my mixing bowl. And I'm going to use my fork to mash them up pretty well. You can also use your potato masher too, okay? That will work perfectly too. Now for banana bread, it's really important to make sure that the bananas you are using are super ripe. Otherwise, you're just not going to get really nice flavor as well as texture. Now, once they are nicely mashed, we'll add in 2 room temperature eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. You can use any milk you have, okay? I'm going to mix everything together. And then add in my honey, okay? We'll mix until it is evenly combined. Once I'm done, we'll go ahead to pour it into the dry ingredients and gently fold that in until it's just combined. Now, it's really important not to overmix the batter. So you only want to mix it until there aren't any big lumps of unmixed flour, okay? Meanwhile, I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God richly bless you. And if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and like this video and join this amazing family. Thank you for subscribing. So guys, I'm a big fan of walnuts, okay? So we'll add in some of them and then mix it together. And now we'll just transfer this into my baking pan and finish up by evenly sprinkling about 1/4 cup walnut on the top. And this just add additional flavor and texture to the banana bread. Now you will give the loaf tin a light bang. I'm doing that just to remove any large air bubbles, okay? And now this is going to go into the oven for an hour or until toothpick inserted in the center of the bread comes out clear. So my banana bread is done now and it smells so good, guys. And it's been cooling for about 10 minutes, okay? But you know me, I want it hot, so I'm just gonna serve it right away. But you can allow it to cool completely, then serve it later on, okay? This banana bread is honestly so soft and moist. It has a wonderful banana flavor and I love the additional of walnuts on top. It was so good and the taste was incredible. So kindly try it and let me know how it comes out. Alright guys, I hope you give this recipe a try, and thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.